talking about the equity markets, but now let's talk about the commodity markets and what's happening there. As always, Vinni live with us with Commodities Corner.
Absolutely, and talking about the oil prices, they have seen a rebound coming in this Thursday morning, especially they have been tumbling for the last couple of sessions. So yes, a rebound coming in with their weak dollar, plus the OPEC plus decision to roll over the output cut actually helps easing some of the oversupply issues and concerns. That is why the oil prices were seeing a rise coming in this morning. Now gold prices, they too are shining in trade. They've hit a 9-month high as well after Powell's sticks to his dovish tone, as well as gold on the MCX is also trading at an all-time high. So keep an eye out on the gold prices as well. Coal prices, I beg your pardon, coal prices continue to trade below the $300 per ton mark, which is the lowest level now that we're seeing coming in since Feb 2022. Aluminium prices too were trading around the $2,600 per ton mark, and this is close to the levels that we've not seen coming in since June 2022, especially because of why the robust demand that is coming in from China, as well as fears of supply shortage is a concern coming into play for aluminium prices.
The spotlight as well on Tata Consumer, set to report their third quarter numbers. Could there be subdued volume growth in the F&B business that impacts the overall earnings?
Mild revenue growth of around only 7% coming in this time, while the profits of the company are expected to see a 6% decline, and margins also we are expecting to see a contraction coming in terms of margins as well. So keep an eye out on the EBITDA margins. We are expecting them to be at around 13.1% versus 14.4%. So yes, almost we could say a 100 basis point contraction in terms of the margins. Now growth this time also is going to be a pricing led growth. Volumes are expected to be subdued both in the Indian beverage business as well as the food business of the company as well. Value growth of the food business, we are expecting it to be around somewhere in the 20-25% range, mainly because they've taken price hikes in the food business, so that is supporting the revenue growth of the company. Commodity cost obviously in the international market had impacted them even last quarter. This time also, yes, it's impacting them year on year basis. Sequentially, maybe we could see an improvement coming in over there. So that is the factor that comes into play as well. And obviously, overall, given that the gross margins are under pressure, there's a geographical adverse mix coming in as well. That is impacting the EBITDA margins of the company, and that's why a contraction in the EBITDA margins. Let's keep an eye out on the commentary, demand environment, how is that shaping up, out of home consumption, tea prices and the volumes that they're expecting there. Any commentary coming in on the raw material pricing is an important factor to watch out for here.